Hi, I'm Joe Swartz. I'm a senior trial attorney here at Swartz Swartz. If you've been injured in an accident of any kind, it's extremely important that you call us immediately. You will find that you may be contacted by the insurance industry. The insurance industry will contact you with the hopes of trying to settle your case for pennies on the dollar. Secondly, it's extremely important to contact us immediately because there's certain time limits in terms of filing cases in court and other notice requirements involved. If that time period passes, you may be in jeopardy of losing your rights permanently. So please, if you're involved in an accident, call us immediately. We can help you and we can get your case going as fast as we can.